Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your photos from theft with SmugMug, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the SmugMug website. Once there, create an account if you don't have one. Choose a subscription plan that fits your needs. After signing in, navigate to the settings section. Look for the privacy and security options. Enable the watermark feature to add branding to your images. Customize your watermark with text or a logo for better identification. Next, go to the gallery settings. Here, you can adjust who can view your photos. Set galleries to private if you want to control access. Next, explore the download settings. Disable the download feature to prevent unauthorized saving. Consider using the sharing settings to limit distribution options. For additional protection, consider adding password protection to sensitive galleries. Regularly review who has access to your galleries. Stay informed about SmugMug's updates regarding security features. Utilize the copyright options to register your images. Enable notifications to stay alert about any unusual activity. Lastly, regularly back up your photos to another secure location. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.